Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are. The journey so so share the journey so na say ye ba betwetwe nkomo na ya famu aba edi aboye bra ansa na ye be start jibedie no mama na aboa for maso masine na watwe bia bitimi the journey ebro e wo baby bia owo time herbal mixture or malaria de edro ba kope where we na the give us clean care SCC fie na ho nyina ate wine lip tomato paste or si oba ma waduane enye de na ye real lip no na odinye dua herbal mixture asa ho ya de na bibia aye kama Fly Alliance Consult Forces so person to kwan ko amanoni wo person onya scholarship na okosua de wa abrochi ade bia fa control ho de ticketing visa bibia de Fly Alliance Consult Forces oba omo ho a ombetimi aboa na bibia aye kama KNG herbal capsules osi obema ubegina soma empanyifo we na asomasen na enedwumade ya eba wo de January mede April ewo Adum TV so mede edi abna Ghana na ne panyi a mene no eba betwetwe nkomo yense ne ya the late Ebony ne papa ene yenya no ewo ha sei papa akwaba yeda sifas yetunsa frewa obaye yeda si na yehwe bibie ka say Starboy Kwarteng kra pa cho ye hwan
Starboy Kwarteng Nana Poku Kwarteng. Yes. Now I'm a business person anyway.
Okay.
Me a Bruni.
Oh, okay.
Now so the money me na me Ebony papa. Me na produce my brand. Yes.
Oh.
That is about me.
Oh, okay. That is about you. Now, say Nana Hima, she's reigning forever. Obia ni Nana Hima the whole world. How do you feel? Say uti obaninum, and now you go online, you see images of your daughter. What is the feeling like?
Wow, what a question anyway. Has always been the same because Nana Hima me doba, like we all know, and they were not harm that much. But time heals, they say.
Yeah.
Until with time, I'm getting better. Me telling you, I miss feelings.
Wow.
If you want ma, you feel down. If you want now, you're okay. Depending the mood. Until it's a mood, a swing at any time.
Wow.
So do baby, I'm okay. I feel good to hear about Her Royal Majesty, the voice. Do baby, I feel too bad hearing that.
Hearing that.
Yeah, miss feeling. Yeah, that's right.
You know, having a oba or yet legend now. I mean, Ebony is still reigning. You can't talk about dancehall. You don't talk about Ebony. There are a lot of things. Obope, Nana Himana, Obia, Enu Nane Obia, Esuyebi. We have foundation that can be celebrated every year. Do you think the foundation and to how we need bullets? Let's say Akasaka say buy it's me Magana for so much all because of what happened.
Well, I wouldn't say all because of what happened between myself and Bullet. Ghana no. It's noted for something. Nipa baby, I have foundation. What have you? Powerful personalities.
Okay.
And if you ask me, say, how far has it been now? I don't believe, say, that effective. Nipa na himano only the only one and papa. I take this responsibility.
Okay.
And I'm doing my own thing in my own small way, bringing the queen to life one more time.
Yeah.
And the foundation is doing well anyway. But it's a solely memory responsibility.
To make it happen.
That is exactly so.
Yeah.
I haven't had any dime from anyone. I haven't requested. I haven't asked for anything. Me na me ba bibi here no. I may buy anyone. Me person be promoting a legacy. It's just on me to do what I'm to do or to do what I'm supposed to do, and that is exactly what I'm doing. But I haven't had any support anywhere. But I'm still doing the best I can.
You're still doing. And do you have any intention, say, Ube reach to all the big people that were there for Nana Hima? Obiana, Obua Nana Hima, now Peso, Obuaman legacy no Ejina?
Reaching to them asking what, sweetheart?
To support you.
Now, I wouldn't need this for now.
Okay.
I want to get things established.
Okay.
And when they see what is done in her name, will not say if they would feel to support. If they would feel to support. For me, that would be okay. But nevertheless, will I ever think of going to source or to ask for no, I'm not too sure about that for now.
For now.
I don't know what future holds anyway.
Okay. And for now, what are you doing?
As in,
what are you doing? Obianim so Nana producing Nana Hima, you were there for Nana Hima, the music, everything that Nana Hima. So now, what do you do? What are you up to?
Well, this question is something that I'm not too clear, but let me try if I could answer this way. Nana Hima, yes, like you rightly said, no, she was a part of my soul, my being.
Your being.
Yes, in as much as I was hers. When we were promoting one's legacy, diverse.
Okay.
One may library be or baby. I want to get to some point to be nafi. Yeah. May in her name. And crowding Superman chain. I'm supporting them whichever way. In my own way, because you see, they need our support.
You need to make them smile.
And you got to put a smile on their faces. Yeah. You can deny them. And I'm doing equally that. And every 16th February, being the Queen's birthday,
is that the Jollof?
The Jollof party has been going. Oh, sweetheart, I would want you to be there. Coming, should we survive till that day? Hey guys, you will our boy come anyway.
The Jollof
and
party,
I'm also doing that in memory
of Nana
Hima Ebony.
Because I think that is first in history, Jollof party.
It's never happened before in our part of the world.
The Jollof if you
ask me.
Yeah.
And I would, like I've given my word, I shall always be doing that.
Oh, I understand. I understand. It's getting emotional. You try your home question, it's still the journey. Jacoji Enkrato Aba Uguswa Ehredi Jenny, and I'm a guest Nana Poko Kwarteng and your friend Starboy Kwarteng, and your nene Chichin Como Ewodi Jenny so, and Tiafeno Aba Tnasi, Nayantwa and Comaniso. Papa, we heard say, oh, Ebony sister, or Tunyum Kwasi Nana Hima. Have you ever thought of bringing her to the limelight? And I've heard some of Enuma Wato, which is amazing, like her voice is extremely nice. And to open say Obama Natonium, or because of what happened, you don't want her to be a musician.
Thank you, my dear. Baby, I would have wished Sanka over to me, but not.
Okay.
Yes. Simple being say reason nature say. Me I'm one mother, one father. Ghana for a part of mankind.
Part of mankind.
Yes. Or more compare nyama mienu. Se see Nana Hima style. And then happy style. How are they going to see that? How are they going to compare the two? Oh, we cried also we cried Nana Hima take more. This comparison is what I'm not interested in. Hence, my girl is not singing.
Okay. So Nana Hima dance so say if you also go to my different, but you just don't want it.
Yes, because you better compare one.
Compare.
I'm be disappointed. The way we answer and the way we know if you ask me, Nana Hima still lives on.
Wow.
Oh yes, it does. And you know, near me no motiasi for me and compare the back on. Back on by head in a way.
When your head not Nana Hima rainy forever.
Can I let her be?
Yet he say oh record label I will sign the encore for how far with it?
Well yes, me or record label, Bonnie to the World Records. Me signing for right. I've had two. But I had a problem with the first one. Kim Moran. Into one of the until until it is resolved.
Yeah.
I'm saying for now there, but I'm still having this gentleman. Summaries.
Okay.
I'm managing. It isn't easy because you're schooling.
Oh, you're schooling. So comparing the two,
he goes to school. On yet two, but we shall get there.
How is Ghanaians treating you?
I'm fine. Whichever way, I'm just fine because I've been me, and I'm cool with that. I love Ghana. Ghana loves me equally.
Nana controversies wrong.
I don't give a hoot about that. It's always like that. That is my nipa there.
Yeah.
I very welcome this so much so because being a celebrity, or a known person, obviously, you wouldn't expect everyone to like you.
Yeah.
Talk of loving you, and it's just normal with me. It's happened to some people. Why wouldn't it happen now?
Nana Emma, how? Because you're limelight and then I mean Nana Hima's father. Hey, Lala Radio the time now Ebony the sponsor no ni papa no. How was the feeling? Because sa enyomo no echo baby yeah. How was the feeling being acting with your daughter, the queen? How was the feeling with sponsor?
sponsor feeling it here. I don't think I have some words to describe that.
Oh.
No, there isn't any word that can equal it. Yes, I've always been a sponsor.
To your daughter, yes.
So it wasn't anything a big deal. And I didn't go for any rehearsals. I didn't do anything. I just one day now I'm here.
It was natural because you flow with your daughter.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So this was the
bond.
The bond, the thick bond was so solid. So I did it, and I did it, and so I did it well.
Yeah, and it was good.
I guess
and that song was everywhere.
Yes, because
that song was
of course I'm a sponsor.
Yeah, the Nana Hima Ed Son Chain. Now, you say we can't talk to you without Nana Hima because Obiani says Starboy Kwarteng Nana Hima.
That's it.
You see Starboy Kwarteng, you see Ebony. The moment anybody sees you, wherever you go, you embrace Starboy Kwarteng. Oh, Ebony Papa. And that memory, I don't think Ebetimi Akoda. How do you feel about Koda? Because anytime we be home, you refer back to Nana Hima. How is that thing? How is the feeling? Because Entimi Nko Nana.
Yes, they be Entimi
because it's still raining.
She does. Well, Entimi Nko now, what do I say? I never opted for. Never did I, as it were, seek
for Abba.
No, it just came.
It just came.
If I didn't like it, but I couldn't have stopped anything. Starboy Kwarteng say, "Minim no the man." Now we say, "Obi a who the man," but I've taken that in good faith because you can't let. How are you going to handle it? And whatever it is, sweetheart, it's like I'm cool with it.
You're cool with it.
Yes, I am.
When somebody talks about Nana Hima, wow, but Obisu who Nana Hima name like everything. Also, right. So the moment Oko program, anywhere you go, Udru, oh. Yeah, can't Starboy Kwarteng. See, Nana Hima Papa Naban.
That's it.
Then Ebony Papa Naban. Ghana for a show. The love so far, Mudema Nana Hima before we her funeral was like First Lady.
Yeah, that's right.
I mean, she got a state barrier and everything. What would you say to me if we boy in our basso?
Oh, beautiful question. I like this. Mekana be. I'm paying for now. Yes, sad. The Ghana for. Better yet, she might me yen and I him, my dear. I don't know. I said that they mean to me. You wouldn't, yes, mean to me because they did it all. It was just amazing. A woman and I him, or more to some level be at nine to beat it, you know. It's going to be something else. I should think so.
Yeah.
Send an him the pedigree.
And the kind of people that came.
The people that came there.
The whole world.
The personalities. We had solid personalities.
Yeah,
all over the place. Where we drive down, you'll be amazed.
May her soul rest in peace.
Amen.
And to say, what should we look out for you as Nana Kwarteng from now? I mean, what are our expectations? Are you say Nana Kwarteng to say? I mean, what's up?
Cool anyway. Nana Kwarteng Poku is still doing what he does best. Miracle Label, no, I'm doing well this time around.
Support you.
Yes.
Now, do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah,
say it out there so that people will subscribe and I mean.
Yes, Bonnet Records.
Okay.
Yes, it's all there. And one of my person may share this time around. Not me, bit me. I push it on.
Yeah, because someone support you in that, and now bet him that whatever you want to do.
Well, for me, sweetheart, one thing about me, it's not always about money. And
no, it's not the money. Like the YouTube, people
when they push in because it's about her being around her existence.
Yes,
that is
not
all.
The money.
That's it.
But her craft,
the
thing she left behind.
That is it.
People should
appreciate the brand and everything about Ohima.
Yeah,
it's what I want to see it.
Up there.
Up there. Because promoting one's legacy, trust me, you would need people to support, to be on board.
If Bob Marley can be there, and all these great
Michael Jackson can be there, why wouldn't Ebony be there? Because in her own world, she did her best.
Oh, yes.
Like I'm saying, our part of the world, Nana Hima has this.
She's been known.
That is it. So therefore,
she has a legacy.
I want to do all my best, all I can, as it were, to promote this personality. She lives, she does, and she must live. She deserves existence. No two ways about that. She does. She deserves existence.
She deserves assistance. Young try home. Na young Kwarteng Kwarteng bar is still the journey. Papa Jane Krato Aba Oguswa Ehede Jane and me guess a Yanana Opoko Kwarteng Yina your friend Starboy Kwarteng and then drink como Ewode Jenny. So Papa ansana yadi some chuchin ebeberry, you know. Opesenka uye bibi in memory of the late Ebony. Ebetre say or draw or Ghana for so edit children, no. You are doing the same thing for Nana Hima.
Yo, my dads. Yes, once upon a time, Nami Pese, Kwalibu, Sa accident, and some cause ward, no, Nami Peseka, or more the mammy Nanka, Yadina Hima didn't go nothing, me take
care of
the entire, yes, that was what intimate letter call.
Okay.
Request for this facility to be given to me so that you manage that. In memory of Nana Hima, say, Nana Hima didn't, but Ebony Rains.
Yeah.
What can I say?
Ward. Yeah.
Okay. Now, CEO no, the response no. Just say, "Oh, want me." Into so.
Okay.
Now, if I would want to support her, I should do it. But send it in there. And indeed, I had a thought. Yeah, I'm finding into support her. It's me because I made say bye possible. It's only time will tell.
It's our live a legacy, and because of her now we've gotten a lot of talent. Obu was Ebony, the way I know Yan in Yama, even though you can be like her because it was God-given talent. Obi any day, but because of the now, oh yeah, she was. I mean, loving the streets from the streets. You know, I give her and Kofobe praise so hope. Emma no musu to me ye baby because Ebony baby way Emma a lot of people. It's better was to say what start sa na nam so. Nanko for Bibre so etimia pave way in the music industry as a ma. It's yet was Bansan Abecono, Obibia already in Ghana for then Obeka say you was star be an answer about Frebi status or Shaya. Yeah, I am found on in cars and pan say. What would you say? Advice?
If you say, be answered in Yami born. And the messer for Ghana for you now, so be a bibina. Oh, you never heard negative side of it.
Yeah,
everyone negativity can. Bring in something like positivity
results,
exactly. But be the menina na hima de no. Ebi a menina be say because na menino I understood her.
Okay.
She did understand me.
Okay.
Our time was so amazing.
Yeah.
And the parents no ne Ghana for no support talent no. And teachers say nyani nyina na book kwan so. Book is very important.
Talent bia oba wo bia.
Na so obetimi a.
Let them
support na card here the children na encourage you na uncle. You never can tell. Because I never anticipated I was going to be interviewed by people in the car and all this like that.
Yeah.
But Nana Hima, this opportunity to be seen, to be relevant, to be recognized.
Yeah.
Oh, what a wonderful child I had.
Oh,
yes, I'm so proud of her.
Forever.
Forever.
Thank you so much. And the show, no, Minister Nana Hima do for the Yadoson and Brunga half for this year. Yes, stack is here back up. Na still Oguswa yes stack is here bono. And to Bono man ya kai mo ya so mon shut still. The queen reigns forever. Yada wants to moji brany hair jumadi. Na papa ansa na bekono. We have a beautiful flower here. Actually said Nana is gone, but we love and cherish you so much forever.
Splendid.
And then we have this from Sky Best Multimedia.
Thank you.
Say we love you and appreciate you so much. February coming for the Jollof party.
You don't have any idea. I can't wait a moment to see you guys. Come over. You will love it. That's right.
We have a pick and art here.
Okay.
It's Uyibakwa. Na Odia Mammy, not Mashedia, a womb.
Okay.
Oh, Jollof and idiot. About for say what pay about the super Jollof. Oh, okay. Or see who influences you the most?
Oh, come on. What a question, anyway. Can I hear anybody? I wouldn't say who influences me. Myself, my humble self.
Your humble self.
Yes, when I look into the mirror, when I go into my, I'm okay myself.
I'm okay.
That's it. Yes. Yes, my humble self does that.
In the episode you with Nana Opoko Kwarteng e wodi Jenny so when him say was sian de me so me sian de na wow sha so wa de yi chira kakra no say orefi kakra I'm not even sure say orefi because Nana Hima is still raining and the Jenny so ye do bibia say woje bretna say yesuan ne ma bebre afa aprabo ho enti dia ye be catch on is abribia same time edura but na the Jenny so anya hu benya bibi ba ko mienu bi na also dia kan wa brabo ho na dia bobra ansa na ye be ko ye fa se da PSC ma aboa for maso yasin na what bia metimi the Jenny bro ye muni ho a ye ni ho ye da mo asese maso yasin material e shemi fabric you know e your global juicy for and a mami fabric and Izel fashion and a twitwa mami the obo meti e the hair artistry or more labadi and a ebo meti mami ho ye fe that's en yen hia e wo the Jenny so asemba ko and a de bia me catch o bisi nyame wo ma e be ye mi din e di abnaga na bronga half of this year me da
the journey. Take this life, cha-cha. Make you know they rush, make you know they fear. 'Cause when you fall, you rise again.